Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can get rupees 20,000 in free credit in your Google Ads account. This credit can be an incredible boost for your YouTube channel's growth. So there are many methods claiming to offer you for rupees 20,000 credit on YouTube exist, but they may not be currently effective. So talk about how you can acquire this credit. So to attain this credit, I'll show you a step-by-step process. First thing first, let's go to Google Ads. As you can see, Google is giving you rupees 20,000 in free ad credit when you spend rupees 20,000. Okay, so now we'll click on start now. Okay, so now I'm going to click on create your first campaign. Okay, so now if you have any business name, you can just type it in here, or this is optional, you can skip it. If you have any website also, you can use it here. I'm just clicking on something else, and then I'll go on to next page. Okay, so you can see there are many options available here. If you have any YouTube channel, you can add it here, any mobile app, whatever you are promoting. Okay, I'm just skipping this section also. Now whatever goal you have for your campaign, you can choose it from here. If you have any purchases for a product or a service, you can select it here. Page views, phone call leads, whatever you want to. I'll skip this. Yes, you can just choose a campaign type. There are two campaigns available, search and video. I will select this video campaign. I'm doing this for showing you guys. Okay, now I'll go on to next. Okay, so now you can see this campaign has been opened, and we need to add a few things in here, like the budget. I'm just adding 500. Also, you need to select a start and end date for your campaign. Then location is India. I'm just giving you an overview. You can use any YouTube URL if you have a YouTube channel, or otherwise you can just, and I need to see, I need to type a bid also here. Yeah, also we need to type in some headlines and description. So I'm just giving it, as you can see, we have got the 20,000 rupees credit which Google is offering in here. It has been applied to our Google Ads account. After this, you can create your profile, fill in the details in here, and you can add the payment method. It can be credit card or Paytm wallet or net banking, anything. You need to agree with the Google Ads terms, and then you can select this. If you want any personal guidelines from Google Ads expert, then you can select a yes, or otherwise no. Then you can submit the details. Your 20,000 credit will be applied on your Google Ads account. That's it for this video. Okay, I'll see you next time.